guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys the solid granny square. These are my favorite granny squares. I just love how they look all put together and they don't have a lot of holes. To me, they look nicer and neater. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's get to it. For today's square, you'll need weight for acrylic yarn, a tape measure, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and a 6mm crochet hook. To begin your square, you're going to tie a double knot to your hook or create a slip knot. Now chain 4. In the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to place a double crochet. Now we'll chain 2. And again in the 4th chain from the hook, so the center of our square, we're going to place 3 double crochets. Now we will chain 2 and again place 3 double crochets in the center of our square. Okay, now we will chain 2 and we'll place 3 more double crochets in the middle of our square. Chain 2 and place 1 more double crochet in our center. Now in our beginning chain of 3, we will find the 3rd chain and slip our hook into it. There we will do a slip stitch. Now in the double crochet beside, you'll do a slip stitch as well. And into our corner, you will do another slip stitch. Now we'll chain 3, wrap our hook, and place a double crochet in the corner. Now we'll chain 2, and in the same corner we'll place 2 more double crochets. Now in the next 3 double crochet stitches, we will place a double crochet. Now that we are at our next corner, we will place 2 double crochets in the corner. Chain 2. And place 2 more double crochets in that same corner. Now in the next 3 double crochets, we will place a double crochet in them. Now in our corner, again, we will place 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. Now in the next 3 double crochets, we will place a double crochet in each. Once we get to our corner, we will again repeat our corner stitch, our 3 twos, so 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 more double crochets. Now in the remaining 3 double crochets, we will place a double crochet in each. Now in our beginning chain 3, we will find the 3rd chain and we will slip stitch to it. Make sure that you pick up both loops of your chain. slip stitch in the next double crochet, and slip stitch into your chain 2 space. You will continue repeating round 2 until you have a total of 5 rows. I'll meet you guys back when I have 5 rows. Once you finish your 5 rows, you'll want to slip stitch to the corner, chain 1. Now we're going to measure our square and make sure it's 6 1/4. So 6 1/4. Okay, now we will take our scissors, snip the yarn, and we will pull our hook up and through, creating a knot. Now we will take our tapestry needle and put our yarn through it, and then we're going to weave in our ends. Now when you weave in your ends, you'll want to take your needle and go near where your knot is, but not straight into it. If you go straight into it, it will undo the knot. So you just want to weave it in where you can't see the needle on either side, front or back. And you want to go in a few different directions just to secure your yarn. Once you are confident with how much you weaved in, you will take your scissors and you'll snip your yarn. You'll stretch your end just to make sure it goes into the piece. There you go. Now you'll do the same thing with the other one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you completed your square, please tag me in any of these social medias. I would love to see how they turned out, what colors you used. If you're interested in continuing this challenge with me, please subscribe or follow me on any of those social medias and I will keep you guys up to date. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and have a good day. I'll see you guys on the next one.